ITV Hub is no longer active and has been completely replaced by ITVX. This is a crucial change that all Sky Glass users need to understand. You can find ITVX in the Apps section of your Sky Glass device. The interface has been designed to integrate seamlessly with Sky's streaming platform. Once you access ITVX, you'll see the familiar streaming interface with various content categories and recommendations. Users frequently encounter several common problems when using ITVX on Sky Glass. These include buffering issues, content failing to stream, and unexpected PIN requests for ITV1. These issues typically stem from three main causes: internet connectivity problems, outdated app versions, or accumulated cache data. Additionally, Sky Glass relies entirely on streaming, making a stable internet connection absolutely crucial. Finally, it's important to note that a Sky TV subscription is generally required to watch ITVX on Sky Glass, as the service is integrated into Sky's ecosystem. When ITVX isn't working properly on your Sky Glass device, there are several practical troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart your Sky Glass device. This simple solution resolves many common streaming issues by clearing temporary glitches and refreshing the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection and speed. Sky Glass requires a minimum of 10 megabits per second for HD content and 25 megabits per second for 4K HDR streaming. Step 3. Ensure the ITVX app is up to date. Outdated apps can cause streaming problems and compatibility issues with Sky Glass. Step 4. Clear the ITVX app cache. Corrupted cache data can cause playback issues and app crashes. Clearing the cache removes this potentially problematic data. Step 5. If problems persist, consult Sky's support resources or online forums. The Sky community and official support channels provide additional troubleshooting tips and solutions. Remember that Sky Glass receives automatic software updates to improve performance and add new features. Ensure your system is running the latest version for the best ITVX experience.